So I thought I'd do one of these update videos. It's been a little while since I've done them, and I've been wanting to keep up and update everybody on what's been happening on my music tech journey. So I'm currently out here in Berlin. I'm wrapping up a project that I've been working on with Ableton for the past 3 months, and it's been really amazing. And want to give a big shout out to all the great people at Ableton that have invited me into their world and let me see some of the really cool stuff that they've been working on. And I wish I could tell you about it, but I can't. But yeah, it's really incredible. So yeah, just super grateful to be out here in Berlin and having the opportunity to travel around the world and just spread the gospel of the audio programmer. And been meeting some people here that have been in the audio programmer community as well, and that's been really super insightful. And just really cool hearing their story and what they've been into and how they're getting into the world of audio programming. So some other things that are kind of coming up with the channel and the community. So we've got the Audio Programmer podcast that's going to keep trucking along. So we got Chris Randall from Audio Damage, and Audio Damage, if you don't know, is one of the coolest plugin developers in the world. I had to touch my phone because it was running out of batteries. Audio Damage is one of the coolest plugin companies in the world, and they're making really amazing plugins. And the thing is that it's all made by two people. Chris Randall is one of those people, and he's a self-taught developer, so he didn't go to a university or anything like that to learn about audio development. And he's going to come on the podcast to tell us his story. Also going to try to get some other cool people on the podcast, people like Ian Hobson from Ableton, who has agreed to come on to the show and tell us about his stuff at Ableton, but when he agreed, he was drunk, so going to try to catch him when he's sober. We also are going to be offering some premium courses for the audio programmer as well. So these are going to be paid courses that are going to be given, some of them by me, some of them by other people that are more of an expert than I am, that are going to have an opportunity to teach people about different aspects of audio programming. And I think that that's super exciting to get some other angles of people that want to teach certain aspects of audio programming. And if this is something that you would like to get into, if you'd like to offer a premium course through the website, I invite you to just get in touch with me. My address is info@theaudioprogrammer.com. So basically, that's really it. So just doing more stuff with the website and with the community, and we're going to finish up this DJ project that I've been working on for an eternity and try to get that out. So that's really about it. And I'm going to sign off now. I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.